Assalamu alaikum. Here is Rabia Smith with roll number 1011. My topic of presentation is silver nitrate test that is used for the identification of halogens. There are different elements present in organic compounds along with carbon and hydrogen. These elements can be nitrogen, sulfur and halogens such as chlorine, bromine and iodine. To detect these elements, we perform Lezine test. In order to perform Lezine test, we first have to prepare Lezine's extract. To prepare Lezine's extract, the materials required are tripod stand, test tube holder, china dish, test tubes, Bunsen burner. Instead of Bunsen burner, a common Cypriot lamp can also be used, sodium metal, organic compound, spatula, fusion tubes and distilled water. The basic principle of Lezine's test is that when organic compound which contains the element combines with sodium metal, inorganic salts are produced. These inorganic salts are water soluble. Now we see the procedure of Lezine's test. First of all, take a small piece of sodium metal about 3 mm in diameter in a fusion tube. Then heat it on a Cypriot lamp until metal is melted. Now add a small quantity about 0.1 to 0.2 gram of the organic compound in the fusion tube. Remember, if the compound is volatile, we have to cover it. For this purpose, usually a small quantity about 0.5 gram of glucose is used. Now heat this mixture until the fusion tube gets red hot. Now break the red hot fusion tube in a china dish containing about 15 milliliter of distilled water, and then grind the contents of china dish so that sodium metal can react with water. In this reaction, sodium metal is converted into sodium salt and hydrogen gas is released. Now filter the contents of the china dish. This filtrate is known as sodium's extract or Lezine's extract. Since sodium salts are produced in this reaction, this Lezine test is also known as sodium fusion test. Now we see the silver nitrate test. The materials required for silver nitrate test are Lezine's extract, nitric acid, silver nitrate, test tubes, test tube holder, Cypriot burner, dropper. Here is the procedure of silver nitrate test. Take a test tube and add 5 milliliter of sodium extract in it. Then acidify this sodium extract with nitric acid. The purpose of acidification is to avoid any precipitation of silver hydroxide or oxide. Now heat the test tube until the contents present in it start boiling. Now add silver nitrate solution in the test tube. Different halogens give PPTs of different colors during this reaction. If white PPTs are formed, then the organic compound contains chlorine. If pale yellow PPTs are formed, then the organic compound contains bromine. If yellow PPTs are formed, then the organic compound contains iodine. There can be an additional test performed that differentiates halogens. In this test, ammonia or ammonium hydroxide is added. If PPTs get easily dissolved in ammonium hydroxide, then this is an identification of chlorine. If excess of ammonium hydroxide is required, it means the halogen is bromine. If no PPTs get dissolved, then iodine is the halogen present in that organic compound. This is all about my presentation. Thank you.